It's your boy, Turbo. We are out here at Knuckleheads. We got cars galore. Everybody believes in total legalization, and that's all that counts. Once everybody understands the gravity of total legalization, no plant limits. We can clean our soil, clean our land, clean our water. We plant cannabis on the banks of every river. All those toxins get sucked up into the plant. And we can drink the water. Like, why would we not do that? Why would we actually take steps? Why would we actually take freaking anything but total legalization? Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Alaska, Oregon, they've all taken steps. Missouri is the heart of America. We don't have to take steps. We know total legalization will improve Missourians' lives for good. Raise property values. Raise the taxes. Raise everything. Kansas City school system isn't even accredited. What do you think cannabis legalization will do for that? It's your boy Turbo on Turbo TV. Let's go.